how to promote a video on TikTok. So the first thing is open up TikTok and you need to click on profile at the bottom right here. After that, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Once you click on it, select TikTok Studio. Under TikTok Studio, scroll down and you're going to promote under more tools. So click on it, and once you click on it, you can now select any of these options: more video views, more followers, or more profile views. You're also going to see different options at the top: get sales, get leads. After that, select the content that you want to promote. Just click on promote under any of them, and now you're going to see custom promotion. So you can just select default audience, and you can also pick default audience. So you can select TikTok default audience, and you can also select custom audience. So you can just pick right here, click on save. Also, you can select or set your budget, so depending on your choice, and you can also set the time duration. So right here you can now check the preview, and also at the top you can switch to dashboard on mine. So very easy, and once you're done, click on pay right here, and TikTok will start promoting your video. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.